You know, life's all about trying new things, right? Sometimes the most amazing experiences come from being a little courageous and open your mind and heart to something different. And trust me, it often rewards you with so much joy. Nakji has earned itself a pretty impressive nickname in Korea, the wild ginseng of the mudflats. This small but mighty octopus is absolutely packed with the nutrients that have made it a staple Korean traditional health food for centuries. Generation after generation has turned to Nakji when they needed nourishment, energy, and healing. So, what makes Nakji so special? Quite a lot, actually. Nakji is extraordinarily rich in taurine, that powerful compound known for boosting energy and supporting liver health. But that's just the beginning. It's also loaded with the essential minerals your body craves. High quality protein that keeps you satisfied and strong, and a whole array of other beneficial nutrients that work together to support your overall health. So, if you've never had the pleasure of tasting nakji before, maybe now is the perfect time to be brave. Open your mind and your palate, and who knows, this could be something that brings unexpected joy to your table.